Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna show you how to add a biller in your HDFC account for automated payment. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe right now. So guys, because this involves some confidential information too, that's why instead of a live video, I'm gonna show you how you in the form of screenshots. So when you log in into your HDFC, this is the home page that you see in a net banking. Okay, and you have an option of bill and recharges. As you can see, I have encircled. You're going to click on that. Okay, now depending upon in the next page, if you scroll down, you will see bill and recharges, where you'll see categories: utility, financial, others, recharge, and popular too. So mutual fund is very popular, so I did it for mutual fund. That's why I selected mutual fund. I clicked on that, but whatever category you have, do it that. Okay, so next option was add a new SIP. So now it's gonna show you the provider. Again, based on the category, provider could be different. So select whatever provider you have. Okay, now this unique registration number is going to be provided by your provider. Like when you do for mutual fund, they are going to provide you the unique registration number that you have to put in here. You can put an optional nickname also, so that when you log in into your net banking, you can identify easily, and then click on continue. Next is to enable SmartPay. So you're going to put entire bill account or maximum account and payment method, which one you want to use, and click on continue. Okay, it will again show you the amount, and you will confirm. So when you click on confirm, it will ask you an OTP confirmation too. Put that and you're all set to go. Now the auto payment mode is set, and it will proceed from there. So this is how simple it is, guys. This is how it works. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.